dusty throne left to decay, shadowed halls where echoes play, forgotten crown, the lost refrain. A king once mighty now remains. Hear the roar of the forgotten king. Through the night his cry will ring. The past won't fade, it burns, it stings. Rise again, let freedom sing. Heavy scars from wars long gone, his glory buried but not withdrawn. Cursed to wander, the silence bites, but his fire sparks in the endless night. Hear the roar of the forgotten king. Through the night his cry will ring. The past won't fade, it burns, it stings. Rise again, let freedom sing. Chains of time don't hold him still. The broken rise by sheer willpower's thrill. Through shattered glass, the dawn does gleam. The king reclaims his sleepless dream. From ruins bold his voice returns. In his heart an ember burns. A rallying call, let banners wave. The king's roar shakes his own grave. From ruins bold his voice returns. In his heart an ember burns. A rallying call, let banners wave. The king's roar shakes his own grave.